a professional image. And then we move on to the second aspect, which is the professional image of the staff.
Hello, babe.
In other words, when I talk about the staff, I'm talking about workers, employees, the people who are working in your business. The very same business that is actually trying to protect the professional image is also dependent on its staff to protect a professional image. Now, how does the staff behave in order to protect a professional image? First of all, we know that in schools we wear uniforms. And we wear uniforms for a reason.
Umjolo bathuyanyisa kunini baby ngibalisa izolo bewuphethe umandisa namhlanje uphethe ubalisa talk to me uyangihlanyisa talk to me uyangihlanyisa talk to me uyangihlanyisa watch out